Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add friends in Monopoly Go. First things first, what you want to do to proceed is to open up your Monopoly Go app. As you can see, my account is already connected using my phone number or contacts. That is why there are already players that I can add. So, for you to have the same, what you want to do is to just connect either your phone number or sign up using your Facebook account. By that, you can just simply add the players you want to be friends with. However, you can also add a friend by simply inviting them. So, just tap on this invite button right here and then press either the invitation for Facebook Messenger or the orange manual invitation. In my case, I'll just tap on the orange invitation and invite the specific person I want to play with. Just wait for them to join, then add them. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now add friends in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.